Today, I'm going to show you how to do a firmware upgrade. I'm going to be working on the 2550 Spark Appliance, which is this one right here on the left side. Let me see, you can see my screen. Yeah. So this device, this particular device is the one that you see on the screen. Okay. And the idea here is because I had a problem with this device. Something happened with the default version. I think it came with the R8200.05, and it caused problems because after turning on and doing a factory reset, it just stay in maintenance mode. And after having a conversation with the people from tech support and Check Point, they said that I needed to upgrade to the latest 82.00.10, this build version here. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Things that you need to consider when you're going to start doing the upgrade. Number one is this device has a chip in the USB. The USB port, of course, a chip. You know, everything is about drivers. So you need to make sure that you download the driver for that particular chip, because as soon as you connect the Type-C port into the device, it's gonna say like, hey, I don't know who is this. So down below in this video, I'm gonna post the link for the drivers. Let me show it to you here, right here. Just give me a minute. Verification successful. So basically, it's gonna be you can I usually download the universal one, this one here. Let me see. You can see it here. My video is not on your way. Okay, there you go. Okay, so usually download this one here. Okay, I already did it, and now I'm gonna start connecting. Now, before you start doing anything else, so you download the drivers for the chip. Second, you need to get a console software. I am using what is called the PuTTY PUTTY software, and then I'm gonna start like right now because when we are on time here. So number one, I have the device is disconnected. I mean, it is not powered up yet, and I already downloaded the firmware. So I went to the SK184357 SQ, and here are all the descriptions about the software. And there is an option here so you can download the software. So I already downloaded the F110, whatever you see here, okay? So I already downloaded and I already put it here in a blank format, FAT32 USB memory stick. So the next step is, let me close all this so we don't get confused with so many screens. This is the Spark management. Okay, that's the problem that I'm experiencing. This is the device. So I'm gonna do number one is I'm gonna connect. I haven't connected anything yet. I have the memory here, okay? So number one, you're going to connect the Type-C cable into your computer. So look at this screen, okay? Pay attention. You're gonna get a COM port. As soon as you connect it, even with the device disconnected off, you're gonna get it's gonna populate here. It's gonna detect the hardware. I'm gonna connect it here in the console port, boom. There you go, see that? So now you know that the COM port that is being detected here is the COM port number 3. You might connect it might be number 2, it might be 4, it depends of your hardware configuration. So you need to make sure that you remember that, okay? But I mean, it's gonna be a piece of cake to remember that, it's easy. Then you open your console software and the configuration that you're gonna use. Let me close this, let me open it again. Okay, there you go. So the configuration that you're gonna use is this one here, connection serial. So in this particular case, it's the COM3. So I'm gonna specify COM3. The speed is 115/200. Data bits 8, stop bit 1, parity none, and then full control, aux on off. And also usually change the appearance. I like to change to have like big old letters so I can see more. And what else? There is something else that I usually do. Oh, here. The lines for scroll back, I usually like to put like 6,000 so I can register in the buffer. You can go back and forth because sometimes you get a bunch of lines and you might get lost. And I'm gonna save this configuration and I'm gonna open it. So right now you don't get anything because the device is not on yet. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it on and pay attention. Let me see. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so we can see here what's going on with this. Oh, let's hope my video is not on the way. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on and pay attention to what is gonna happen. Before I start on, I'm gonna connect the USB into the USB port. There you go. It's connected. It's still this is still off. And during the first 3-4 seconds that the device is turning on, there is going to be an option that says press Control C to access a menu. In that menu is the option to do a factory reset or to load this firmware. That's what we're going to do. I think it's option 7. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to be ready here on my keyboard to press Control C to stop the process of booting of the device. Ready? Let's make it happen. So this is the on button here. Push it. There you go. Click here, Control C, ready. Right there. See that? This is, you can see on the screen, yeah. Hit Control C, and there are the different options that we have available. Let me see. Let me move away this thing from here. So we're gonna use install update image from USB, option 7, okay? So I'm gonna push number 7 on my keyboard. I'm gonna type number 7, I'm gonna hit enter. And then it's gonna start detecting the USB. It has been successfully detected. It's loading. It found the image. It's loading now. So far, it seems like it's working. It looks like everything is going good. So I hope the audio is okay. Install update. That's really cool. I'm gonna hit enter. And this is restarting the device now. So you're gonna get a bunch of little dots. The booting process might last up to 3 minutes. So don't be anxious about this. Just let it be. You need to make sure that when you are doing a firmware update, that nobody by mistake or you yourself unplug the device or push the on off button or something happen or the powers go out, because then the device might die forever and you might need to get a new one. So it is important to have to have these devices connected to a UPS, a battery backup, just to make sure that that your device don't die during the process of loading the firmware. So I'm gonna pause this part while this loads, and then I'm gonna restart it as soon as I see it coming back. Okay. Well, looks like I already finished it doing the update, and now it's asking for a login. Let's see what happened here. Let me show you the screen, okay? So right now the device is blinking. The first one is power. The second one is the one that is trying to detect internet. Let me connect it to the internet. And this is going to be key because I have this device. Let me see. make a mess. So now it's connected to the internet. You can see the screen. Um, let me see if we can do something here. Hold on. I'm gonna move it here. Hope we don't lose anything. We're good. I'm gonna make my screen a little bit bigger here. There you go. So the second one is the internet detection. The third one that is blinking is the device connecting to the checkpoint servers and see if you have a zero touch configuration. If you do, then it's going to start downloading the zero touch configuration so you can access the device remotely. In another video, I'm going to show you how to do so. And then I think we made it. So far, we have a successful deployment. So congratulations to you and to me. Ta-da! Bye for now.